Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube video into your WordPress web post. I have this post here published and I would like to embed this video. To get started, go to the post that you want to embed the video in and identify the spot where you want the video from YouTube to be embedded. I want to embed the video here. So what I need to do is to go and grab an embed code from YouTube and paste it here. To do so, go to the YouTube video and from here click on the share button of the video that you want to embed. And then there is the first function, which is embed. Click on it. Now here you have an option to copy all the code by simply clicking on copy, and all the code will be copied. Should you in case maybe just want to embed part of the video, you can go ahead and select the time here. Select from the place where you want the video to be shown. If you want it to start showing in your post maybe after 3 minutes, go ahead and enter the time lapse. For my case, I want to embed the whole video. Now from here, go back to your posts and you want to embed it here. Now don't go ahead and paste the code direct. Now what you need to do, you have to change this to the text format. As you can see, this is a visual interaction that we normally interact with, but what we want to enter or paste here is a code, so they don't match. So you want first to change it into text, and once you have changed it into text, go ahead and now paste. As you can see, the cursor is still blinking at the spot where we want to embed our video. So go ahead and paste. As you can see, it is done. Now once you have done so, you can now switch back from the text editor to visual. And instantly the YouTube video has been embedded into your post. Go ahead and update your post. And here it is. If you open this link in a new tab, you can go ahead and see the same post. This is how it will appear to all your visitors that will be reading your post. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button to support me. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.